All right, we learned how to do if statements, but what we're gonna learn today is how to take it to the next level. It's gonna be more complicated, more advanced. And that's when we implement logical operators. And that means 3 words: not, or, and. Okay? I'm AJ, I'm a Parkour Robot. If you are new, click on the link in the description below. That's going to open up this lessons for you to follow along and do the exercises. All right, let's go with this first. What happens when we run this code? Go ahead and analyze it. Pause it if you need to. What do you think is going to happen? It says, oh, hell no. Right? Because not inverts it. So let's remove the not. What do you think it's going to print out now? Did you get that right? You see, we didn't touch this one, so behavior stays the same. But this one changed. We removed the not. So if you want to think about it, not is not too far off from not equals, because it's like a double negative. Not equals, not equals. Yeah, there we go. Not double negative. This is right. Okay, so this is almost like this. So it turns it around. And so that's what not does. Okay? Oh, one more thing. Take a look at these two. You notice how the code is different, but they work the same? So what it is that this is saying, let's actually make it simpler. So let's look at it like this. So if we have this code like this is saying if has money, which right now equals to true, equals true, then run this. So if you think about it like that, if has money is going to be true. So it doesn't even have to do the condition. It's just returning the Boolean statement. If you do false, if has money, which equals false, equal to true, that's going to be false, right? Because false does not equal true. Or the shortcut is if false. So if you want to use a shortcut that you can do this, a lot of times new coders find it easier to conceptualize when they write equal to true, but it's actually unnecessary. Okay? A little tip there for you. All right, let's go again. Now we are going to move into the or operator. All right, has money equals true. Is tall, it's false, so a shorty. So if it has money, it's equal to true, or is tall equal to false, or true. Okay, I met a guy, but, right? So we're gonna run this. And what happens is that the or statement is saying if this condition or this condition is true, then it's going to be, the whole thing is going to be true. So the better way to look at it is through this table here. Okay, so imagine the first statement is true, the second statement is true, then the result is going to be true. The first statement is true, the second statement is false, result's still true. And vice versa. If the first statement is false and the second statement is true, it's going to be true. The only time in an or statement where it's going to be false is if both the first statement and the second statement is false, then the whole result is equal to false. So that's how the or statement works. Okay, so as long as one is true, so we turn this to false and we say true, what do you think is going to happen here? See? Again, this is a shortcut. We don't need the equals true, so I'm going to remove it just for simplicity's sake. And now let's imagine that both are true. What do you think is going to happen here? All right, last situation. What do you think is going to happen when they're both false? Nothing, because this is false. See that? All right, next. And operator. So this one works a little bit differently. Okay, here has money equal to true and is tall equal to true. So let's remove the short. That's confusing. Okay, all right. So we are now using the AND operator. So if this is true and true, actually let's go through this. So in the AND operator works a little bit differently. This time, both conditions have to be true in order for the result to be true. So think about it like this. True, first statement, second statement, true. All right, bueno. Result is true. However, first statement true, second statement false, result false. First statement false, second statement true, result false. And of course, if both are false, then of course it's going to be false. So, OR is opposite in the sense that it just needs one condition in order to be true for the whole result. AND statement is opposite in the sense that it needs both conditions to be true, or else everything is false. Okay? So it's a higher level of conditions. So let's go test you out. What do you think this will print? Very good, if you guessed that. And what if I do this? What do you think it will do? False, true. We'll run that. Does not work because this is not true. Now let's change this to false and true. Now what do you think this will happen? Nothing, because it's not true. Now I'm gonna mess you up. Oh, what do you think is gonna happen if I change this to OR? Boom. All right. Let's say that. Ooh, I'm really gonna mess you up now. What about that? What do you think it's gonna do? If has money equal to true, or is tall does not equal to true, what do you think is gonna happen? Okay, you got that right. What if I do not has money equals true, or is tall does not equal true? Mess you up. Ready? Boom. You get it? Because not has money equal to true. That's like, is that true or false? I don't know. That is false. Or is false does not equal to true. So this condition is true. Because false does not equal to true, which makes it true and makes the whole statement true because it's OR. That's how it works. Easy. All right, you guys got some problems to work on. Go do your thing, and I'll see you next lesson.